Hi everyone. So today I'm going to talk about how to create objects in Java. So there are many ways through which we can create objects in Java, but we will discuss now only about using the new keyword. So what we will do, there is some format that we are going to follow while creating the object. In this format, we will first write the class name, after that the object name, and then the this parameter, and then the new keyword, after that again class name and then parenthesis. I will explain it through a code. Let's go back to the IntelliJ editor. Now here you can see I have a class called oddEven, and in this class let me first create one method that is by default main method, which will take string arguments, and it will have public static void. Now, as I mentioned, in order to create one object, what we have to first write the class name. So we will first write the class name here, oddEven. After that, the name of the object. Let's suppose I want to keep the name of the object as a first object. After that, equal to, and then we will write the new keyword. After that, we will write again the class name and then parenthesis, then we will close it. So now we have successfully created the object of this class oddEven. Now I will go further more to explain what is the significance of this object. Let's suppose in this class we have some variable like int a equal to 10, and we have some method like play. I have already explained, when we write one method name, then after the method name we use some parenthesis, and let's suppose there is some code inside it. Now if I want to fetch this a value or this code written inside this play method, then I can fetch these values with the help of object. We cannot fetch this value without object. I will show you what I mean. Let's suppose I want to print the value of a. So when I'm writing a, you can see it is showing red. Okay, it is showing error because we are directly trying to fetch this value. We cannot directly fetch this value without the help of object. So in order to fetch this, I have to use object, and the object should be like the name of the object. After that, we'll use one dot, and then we'll use a. So this way we can fetch the a value, and if you print it, then we can get the output as 10. You can see in the screen. In the similar way, if I want to fetch the method, yeah, so now I want to call this method. So if I want to call this method like this, it won't work. So in order to call this method, we will have to use the object name and then dot and then play. Now it will call this method and it will print the code, or it will execute the code inside this method. Now you can see that both are fetched. So this is how object is created, and this is how the members of the class are fetched with the help of object. There are many more things like related to static keyword also, but I will explain everything later.